Hey YouTube, JD Sports Cards here with another box break. This is also a sponsored break from blowoutcards.com. Be sure to check out their website, www.blowoutcards.com. They got the best prices on the web. I'm doing another box today of 2006-2007 Bowman Draft Picks and Stars Basketball. I'm not going to break it. I'm going to have my buddy over here break it. I also got another box of this sitting over there that I'm going to break. I don't really do much basketball, but I thought these boxes were a great price, and you get a good amount of hits. So I was pretty satisfied with the first box. So you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Just like the last one, we should get 18 packs per box. So we kind of got to breeze through these. 2 relic cards per box and 1 chrome autograph. I believe it's always a chrome autograph. From the breaks I've seen and from the last break I did, they were chrome autographs. And rookie autographs. That's pretty nice. He's working hard over there.
Not so easy.
Yeah. There you go. Got you started there. Got to give the little guy a little help. Alright, now he's ready to go. Alright, let's get started. No box stoppers in this one.
And Marcus Vinicius rookie.
Okay. Nothing else worth mentioning there?
Not really. I got some star from.
That's cool. Alright.
Rookie of Sean Williams.
Okay, I got one of his.
And another rookie of Alexander Johnson.
Cool.
A Sandcastle refractor and an Adam Morrison base card, and the refractor is numbered 249.
Let's take a look at that one. Let me see that.
Refractor?
Yeah. Who you got there? Sam Cassell?
Yep.
Okay.
What?
I didn't even know he was with the Clippers, to be honest with you. I remember him having some good years with the Milwaukee Bucks there. That's pretty neat. Number 25 of 249. Cool. That's a good one.
And a coach card of John Ford, and that would have been my rookie.
Yeah, for some reason they decided to put college coaches in there. Don't know why. I mean, if anything, put the NBA coaches in, but I guess you get something like a Coach K card would be pretty cool. But
Shannon Brown, rookie card. Could be wrong. Rudy Gay rookie card.
Nice,
rookie.
nice.
Only that is chrome.
8th pick in the draft.
And that Morrison, I'm getting a lot of them.
Morrison's nice too, yeah.
Haven't gotten the chrome rookie yet, though. Ooh, rookie chrome of Marcus Vinicius. I already got
Nice.
this card. And a rookie of Ronnie Brewer.
Good, that's a good one.
Ooh, looks like we got a jersey in here.
Nice.
Carmelo Anthony.
No way.
But I don't see the colors. White piece?
That's alright.
Very nice.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Very cool. Carmelo Anthony jersey.
And Rodney
Cool.
rookie card.
Oh, numbered, isn't it? Oh, yeah, you got a Sixers rookie there. Congrats. Maybe not.
Ronaldo, Bowman.
You don't have to read all of them off if you don't want. Just maybe if you recognize the guy, you can read it off.
But
You don't have to read all of them off. I know they're hard to read. I had trouble reading them too.
I think this pack has an auto. No, but it has a chrome rookie of J.R. Knopf, and another coach card.
Nice. Getting that one graded?
Okay. This pack's heavy because I have an auto.
Really?
Andre Iguodala.
Nice. He's wearing his jersey right now.
Player.
Wearing the Iguodala jersey.
And a P.J. Tucker card.
Nice.
Heard of him. Not sure if he's that good.
No notable mentions in that one. Alright.
And a Coach Chrome card.
Nice. Nice.
A Davis rookie card at the end.
Alright.
Alright, there we go.
Hot box.
Looks like a
Hot box of Coach cards there.
Coach Chrome card too. It's even better. Autograph of Alexander Johnson.
Nice, nice, nice. Let's take a look at that. Keep going there because we're running out of time here on the video.
Oh no.
Nice.
The jersey left.
An Alexander Johnson Chrome auto. And he's a second round pick.
Jersey this pack.
Pretty nice. Nice.
Craig Smith jersey.
Rookie jersey. Okay, I got his auto. That's pretty good. So I guess for the both of us, we hope he turns out pretty good. Oh, okay, that's a duel. Cool. Craig Smith. 174 of 249. Cool. Who's the X-Fractor?
Rashid McCantis number to 150.
Let's take a look at that. It's Rashad McCants. Nice try. Number to 249. I'm sorry, 150. Cool. Let's breeze through these last couple packs here because they shouldn't really. Maybe you'll get a nice rookie.
Chrome rookie, Leon Powell. Just gonna mention all the chrome rookies. Refractor, an extra refractor.
Oh, cool.
Of Steve Novak, number.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, rookies.
Looks like a blue. No, must just, no, it's just the background of the rookie. That's nice. Steve Novak, rookie refractor, number 249. Sorry, having trouble with the camera there. Houston Rockets, very nice.
Marty Collins rookie cards, the last card in the box. And
Marty Collins, okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out blowoutcards.com. Let's go over. I got some cards sitting over here that he got. Got that X-Fractor, Rashad McCants. The Craig Smith rookie jersey, dual. The Alexander Johnson autograph rookie. Steve Novak rookie refractor, Sam Cassell refractor, number to 249, and pretty nice Carmelo jersey. Maybe I'll trade you for this, huh? Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.